Welcome back to Maris Tech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be directing my lovely viewers and the hoary subscribers on how to set up Zap VPN application on your Android device. So don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friends. So let me start up today's tutorial. Step 1, you're going to open Google Play Store application on our Android, and then you're going to search for a VPN application called Zap. You're going to search for Zap VPN application and you install it. Download this application, then after downloading this application, install it on the Android device. After installing it, open this application. Keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, demonstrational, informational, and educational purposes only. Users are requested to comply with the local laws, community guidelines, and internet service providers' terms and conditions before continuing to this application. So, I allow all permissions that will be requested to you by this application at the start, and then after you're going to come, and if you're going to be using this application in the future, make sure you join the Telegram group in this case. And if me, I'm not going to be using it in the future, but if you're going to be using it and if it works for you perfectly on your network, join the Telegram group to keep up with the important updates. So let me go where we have, you're going to come, let me direct you, you're going to come right here on those 3 dots, and then I'm going to come where I have the config update right here. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this tutorial to your friends, don't forget to like the video. Wait for a few moments for this application to update its servers, and then after it updating the servers, we're going to come right here I have best performance, and then we're going to be choosing a server that is near to your country's location. But if you are a gamer, I recommend you to use this one, and then this one I recommend it to be used for gamers only, but others choose that one that is near to your country's location. But my hoary subscribers, I recommend them to be using the best performance server, and then after you're going to come where you have the network right here, Nigeria MTN. You're going to come where you have that Nigeria MTN. We're going to choose any of those lists of networks, provided that you are in Nigeria or Ghana or South Africa. Be using those networks, but for a moment let me try to use that one of MTN, this one. Then after I'm going to come right here where I have that button, and then connect. Don't forget to subscribe. After it will be connected successfully,
connectez-vous à n'importe quel Wi-Fi sans.
And then if it fails to connect, this is what you're going to be doing. You can clear the app data, you can turn airplane mode on and then off, and then you can also try to restart the application. And that's how you're going to do it if it fails to connect. But for that case, I sign out.